Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Apple Card option is not showing in the Wallet app. So as you can see, there is no Apple Card option to set up. So if you want to set up your Apple Pay, Apple Card and you don't have the option in your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get the Apple Card option into your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now just let's move on to the solution. First of all, what you're gonna need to do is go to settings, scroll down, click on general, then scroll down, and you will see the language and region. You can see here, click on it, then click on region. Now select the region to United States or where are you living right now. So also make sure that Apple Pay supports your country, so you can check on Google whether Apple Pay does work in your country or does not. Then simply go back, go to wallet apps and just wait. Now as you can see, get started with. Now here we go, here is the Apple Card option. So this is how you can get this option in your iPhone if you don't have. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.